Tonight, a former Portsmouth police officer believes he was wrongfully indicted. Now, Vincent McClean is suing for $16 million in damages.
So he's been the subject of two manslaughter cases, one thrown out by a judge just days ago, and a jury acquitted him of the other one almost 1 year ago. Tonight, Alex Littlehales has more on the new lawsuits.
After a year in and out of the courtroom facing charges of manslaughter, former Portsmouth police officer Vincent McClean will enter a different kind of legal battle.
And all of a sudden this comes your way. You know, he lost his job, he lost all of his income, it completely disrupted his family. Not to mention the emotional impact that it had on him as a law enforcement officer being charged with manslaughter twice.
Monday, attorneys Michael Massey and Nathan Chapman walked into Portsmouth court filing two lawsuits seeking a total of $16 million. The complaints named two Virginia State Police investigators, a sheriff's deputy used by the Commonwealth Attorney's Office, and Portsmouth Sheriff Michael Moore. McClean's two manslaughter cases in the last year center around whether he provided appropriate medical aid in his duty as a law enforcement officer. But in both lawsuits, attorneys argue that facts about medical and autopsy information that would have exonerated McClean were either false or omitted in the grand jury process, and that McClean was wrongfully indicted as a result.
Facts were very clear that he should not have been prosecuted based on the final reports of the experts. And so that's the bottom line.
They're experts.
They're experts, not our experts.
Attorneys tell 13 News Now that prosecutors were not named as defendants in this lawsuit because they are protected by sovereign immunity. In Portsmouth, I'm Alex Littlehales for 13 News Now.
Portsmouth Sheriff Michael Moore tells 13 News Now he's unsure why he is named in this complaint. He says the identified sheriff's deputy was an investigator through the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office.